Today, we're charged up for some M18 Battery Talk. We'll show you what we typically use them for and show you something that Corey got as a powerful gift. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe. You already know, I'm Danielle and welcome to De-cor Homes.
Hi there, Corey from De-cor Homes here. In today's episode, we're going to be talking about batteries. I got the biggest battery I've ever seen by Milwaukee, and we're going to show you this at the end of the video. But right now, we're going to talk about the different types of batteries and the sizes and what you should be using them for. So let's get right into it. The first battery I used is this CP 2.0. All right, I even had the 1.5. I use these batteries on hand lights, drills, and my radio. Next, we got the medium-sized batteries. We have the XC 5.0 and 3.0. 5.0 just pumps out more power. I use these guys with my circular saws, my fans, my caulking gun, and my cutout tool. Then, the game changer was when I upgraded to my big battery, the XC 8.0. So this high output batteries make a difference. If you try to use your hammer drill and you try to drill through something, it's not going to go through because it doesn't have the power. Same thing with sawzalls. If you don't have the right battery on it, the thing's going to die in 2.5 seconds. So I use this big guy with my sawzall, with my hammer drill, with my oscillating tool, and most importantly, my lights. These lights can kill a battery in no time. When you have a big battery in it, you'll actually have enough power to last you through the day, and you could put it anywhere you want. Most importantly, if you don't have enough power to supply the tool that you're using, you won't be able to get the job done. So when I got my XC 8.0, I thought this was gold. I thought this was the top of the mountaintop. This thing was giving me more output for my tools and giving me the power that I need. So before I even got my tool, I tell people, get me my 8.0. So by now, hopefully you know me. You know I'm happy with my 8.0 and I thought this was the best. I didn't think there was anything better than this. Then enter my Christmas gift. I've never seen a battery so big. This thing is sublime. This thing is the biggest thing I've ever seen. So it's out of the CP family. It's out of the XC family, which is your 8.0. And now we're in the big boy family, HD. The thing about using bigger batteries are, you always want to use the smallest battery you need for the job. Because this thing is quite heavy. I would say this thing's about 2-3 pounds to carry. It weighs a ton. And picture when you're using your drill and you're going up and down and up and down and up and down every single time, when you double the weight, like this thing is heavier than my drill. It's a battery. When you're using different batteries for different tools, it makes a big difference. The one that I noticed the most was my leaf blower. When I used a 1.5 or a 2.0 CP, when I used a lower powered battery, then I wasn't getting good output. When I use these big suckers and I use my leaf blower, it really pushed. Like the power was like 3 times more than what you'd get with your regular 2.0 battery. So let's open this bad boy up. I'm excited. Wow. So I was impressed with this. I got that. I'm gonna need a miter saw to put this in. And the most important moment, does it fit? It's alive! And the best part is, I don't just have one, I have 2.
You made it to the end. Make sure you check out our other videos and subscribe. See you next time.